The following is brought to you by PaulAkers.net.
Okay, a beautiful Sunday afternoon, and there's one last thing I want to do, another transition. So check this out. So this is my gate that I designed. So this is called a cloud lift. It's mimicking the edge of a cloud. It's from Japanese architecture. And you can see the lanterns were also Japanese. And you see the swooping here. This is all green and green, these big, huge pilasters. But I've been waiting for 2 years, maybe 3 years, to do this next transition in this hedge. So we're gonna mimic the same cloud lift right off the edge of that thing for transition up and over. So let's get going. So this is my favorite hedge. It's called a Leyland Cypress. It's like a cedar, and it just grows and creates a beautiful hedge. It takes about 4 or 5 years before they get really mature. I've literally planted over 2,000 of these trees around my property. 13 acres, this basically encircles the entire thing. You can see I'm starting to get the lift there. It's not perfect, it'll need to fill in a little more, but the more you cut this thing, the more it grows. So it's really a cool hedge. So maybe by the end of the season, I'll get to cut it again, and before long, I'll get to mimic that exact cloud lift in the gate. I started on the other side as well. It's not as mature, it needs a little more filling in, but I began the cutting process, which will stimulate growth. Remember, look for every opportunity to create an elegant and beautiful transition.
Brought to you by PaulAkers.net, where you'll find all Paul's books and lean resources for free, including the new 2-second Lean Play app, like Audible, but free. To listen to Lean is Lean on the 2-second Lean Play app at PaulAkers.net.